What's going on, guys? It's your girl Day back with another video. Yeah, I told y'all I was about to just start picking up the camera. So good morning. First off, good morning. Hold up. Lord, thank you for waking me up today. Thank you for waking everybody who's watching my video up today. Amen. Period. Cause y'all don't forget to always wake up and thank God for waking y'all up. Cause tomorrow is never promised. Period. So today we are going to the car wash. We are washing my car, vacuuming it out because so I'm gonna just take out with me. It's gonna be like a little mini vlog again. I'm gonna just take out with me and my man are going to do our cars, but he's not gonna be in mine. But regardless, y'all are coming with me today. I'm picking the camera up. As of right now, I'm not gonna say what I'm doing, but if you know, you know. If you've been with me long enough, you know how I get down whenever I'm either in the car or just, you know. That's why I really want to pop y'all up so I can do what I gotta do. Yeah. But I can just pop y'all up. Okay. I'll take that. Like I said, we're cleaning my car out, so don't mind the shit. I don't even y'all know. Cool. But yep, this is what we about to do. Should I just get back with y'all? I just feel like because actually no, I'ma just roll my product. And then when it's fully rolled, I'm gonna get back with you. Actually, no. I'm actually gonna get back with you guys when I go back in the house and I'm like doing my hair, I'm getting ready and stuff. Like when I start to get ready, I'm pick you guys back up and I'm gonna start recording. Because 9 times out of 10 that's when I'm about to leave. So yeah. Okay, so guys, I didn't decide to do my hair because I'm about to clean my car. The fuck I'm about to do my hair for to clean my car? So, yeah. We're about to go do that. So I just had some goddamn hold on, y'all. Gonna go to the car wash. Get out of there when I wake up. I passed the bottle on layup. Let me get my car ready for these. I'm pulling it to the. That's dangerous. Let me wait until I come to a stop. Shout out my label, that's me. I'm in this bitch with TB. I'm in this bitch with Trey. I just put up, yeah, hey, nigga, all in my face. Can I go over here? I'll go right here. I just want to do the regular one. Yeah.
Please pay with credit card.
Appreciate it. You too. Guys, we're about to go in there. Period. Yes, we love a good car wash.
And one thing I love this. I love this right here because, let me see if I can try this. I love this because it gets the little cracks. And the cracks and crevices.
That's easier. But everybody and their mama back in their cars today. Don't play with us. Don't play with us. It's the before. I'm not gonna wipe it off yet until I'm done with the seat, but that's the before. Just keep that in mind. I ordered these off Temu too, y'all. Y'all can't see them, but they're cup holders.
And they're easy to clean.
This is the after. Tired, y'all. Ugh, I'm tired. But yeah, we're gonna get Wendy's. That's what we're gonna eat today, guys. I guess I'll do a little mini mukbang too. Might as well. Shout out my label, that's me. But we got some Wendy's. I'm gonna do a little mini mukbang. Damn, they give me no straw. I'm gonna give y'all a little mini mukbang. I didn't feel like going to McDonald's. I mean, I didn't feel like going to Subways or Walmart. What y'all been doing today? I really want to move this over here. Period. They dead ass wrong for not giving me no straw. For real. For real. Thank for this food that I'm about to receive the nutrients and strength in my body to do I just feel like if anybody fumbles me, that's gonna always be their loss, not mine. Swear. Swear. And y'all, I miss the old YouTube. I'm not gonna lie. I miss like the challenges, the prank era. Now the pranks done turned into reactions, and the reactions aren't pranks. Those reactions are real life reactions, or not. Even if they're fake, they're not pranks. If you're okay, my thing is, I really want to go look like I'm not even finna eat the whole food, but y'all, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to tell their friend, to tell their mama, daddy, auntie, sister, cousin, brother, uncle, grandpa, grandma, that your girl is back. Okay, I just picked up this camera, did a little mini vlog for y'all today, washed my car, got me something to eat. I don't think I was recording when I got me something to eat, but regardless, y'all see me wash my car, so it's something, right? Little cool little like 10, 12 minute vlog. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. But y'all, cause look at the shoe. I low-key had that shit on. If I would've took the bonnet off and did my hair, I would've had that shit on. I would've had that shit on. Oops, excuse me. Well, on that note, bye.